In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add someone to your Calendly account. Whether you're coordinating a team, organizing office hours for students, or handling appointments for a small business, Calendly is a powerful tool that can help streamline your scheduling. Let's dive into how you can extend its functionality by bringing in team members or colleagues right into your scheduling ecosystem. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Calendly's official website. Here, you're not just greeted by the prospect of organization, but by a tool designed to simplify your scheduling needs. Go ahead and click on the Login button at the top right corner of the homepage. Calendly offers various ways to sign in, but for a streamlined experience, particularly if you're using Google services already, choose Continue with Google. It's a quick way to get started without having to remember another password. Once you select Continue with Google, you will be prompted to choose an account. Be sure to select the account you want to use with Calendly. This could be your personal Google account or perhaps a Google Workspace account provided by your employer or your educational institution. After choosing your account, you'll need to grant Calendly permission to access your Google Calendar. This allows Calendly to check your availability and help avoid any scheduling conflicts. Proceed by clicking Continue to authorize these permissions. It's a crucial step to ensure that your Calendly scheduling is as accurate and conflict-free as possible. Now that you're signed in, let's get to the part where we add a new member. Head over to Calendly by clicking on the appropriate link or by visiting your dashboard directly. Once there, look for the Admin Center in the navigation menu. This is where you can manage your organization's settings, including your team members. In the Admin Center, you will see an option labeled Invite a Teammate. This is your gateway to adding new members to your Calendly account. Clicking here presents you with a straightforward interface where you can enter the email addresses of the individuals you wish to invite. Here's a tip. Make sure to double check the email addresses for accuracy. It's easy to overlook a typo, but getting this right is essential for ensuring your team members receive their invitations without a hitch. Next, you'll proceed by clicking on Next, Set Roles. This step is where you can define the access levels or permissions for each new member you're inviting. Depending on how you utilize Calendly, you might assign them as a regular team member, or perhaps you'll need to grant them administrative access. Choose wisely based on their needs and responsibilities. With the role set, the final step is to send out your invitations. Click on Send Invitation, and Calendly will do the rest, dispatching emails to everyone on your list. They'll receive a link to join your Calendly team, and once they accept, you'll be one step closer to scheduling bliss. Remember, adding team members to your Calendly account not only helps in coordinating schedules, but also in ensuring that your organizational project runs smoothly. By managing appointments and meetings collaboratively, you and your team can operate more efficiently and avoid the pitfalls of double bookings or scheduling mix-ups. In closing, Calendly is more than just a tool for setting appointments. It's a solution for bringing people together, whether for business, academia, or personal engagements. By adding team members to your account, you unlock the full potential of collaborative scheduling, making it easier than ever to manage your time and your team's time effectively. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Remember, with the right tools and a bit of know-how, managing your schedule can be a breeze. I hope this guide has been helpful, and I encourage you to explore Calendly's features further to make the most of your scheduling experience. Happy scheduling!